How did you feel? Anybody enjoyed meditation?
It was very good, very relaxing, and a lot of peace created.
Thank you very much, Madhu.
Thank you.
Daniela, Jamit, you are from which place?
Hello, I live in Europe. I am from Malta.
Malta.
It's a very,
Oh,
Malta, yes. It's a very small island. And thank you very, very much. This was awesome. This was a beautiful connection to my whole body and to the divine. I really needed this. It has uplifted me so much. I can feel the energy, like my hands were very cold and now they're nice and warm. It's very, 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 very awesome. Thank you.
thank you very much for sharing your experience and first of all for attending this session. You may be finding it difficult to understand our accent. Indian accent is quite different. Oh, thank you. Really great. Are you into healing?
Yes, yes, I am. Yes, I do.
Which are the
Yes.
modalities you are practicing?
Yes, I practice forensic healing. I practice EFT, Ho'oponopono. I do a lot of angel cards and divine prayers and divine wisdom that is shared through intuition.
You're already in a divine connection. It's really
Thank you
great to
very
see a
much.
person all the way from Europe.
Thank you.
You're
My
welcome.
pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else would like to share your experience?
I've been having this shoulder pain for many days now, but today it's gone completely.
No,
It
that
was
is
very
really
bad.
great.
It was very bad for at least 1 week. It was a very bad pain. So like all the time, the pain was becoming, intense. But now I don't feel, right now I don't feel any pain, and I'm sure I will not get that pain again.
Yes, you're right. See, when
I'm
it
sure I
comes
won't.
to the pain in any specific part of the body, one person is having shoulder pain, another person back pain. When there is a pain, when you just lie down in the morning or in the while going to the bed, you may find it difficult to do the whole meditation, talking to each and every part of the body, starting from toes of your feet to till top of your head. It may take half an hour or up to 1 hour, depending on the way you're talking to body and asking forgiveness. So what to do is, whenever there is any kind of discomfort in any part of the body, just take your attention to that part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Shoulder pain, thank my dear shoulders, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or unloving towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. This
Sir,
way to talk. Yes. Yes, madam.
I was doing that, but I don't know why the pain did not go.
Yes. Now it is a group session. Whenever there is a group session, a lot of the cleaning takes place intense.
Okay. I'm sure the pain
In
won't
the
come back.
sure, it won't. Once it is released forever.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Even when you are doing some bhajans or spiritual practice, singing devotional songs, when you are doing sitting alone and doing, you may not feel that energy. But when you are doing in a group of 100 people or 1,000 people in the temple or some special organization, when you are doing, then you can feel that energy.
True.
And that is
True,
the
sir.
reason the spiritual organizations are organizing the prayers almost regularly in the evening, so that all the devotees, all the people who want to purify their minds or clean the memories, they can join together and pray to the divine in the form of the singing the songs or praying the bhajans or singing, chanting the bhajans. When these people are doing together, the intensity is much better. The cleaning is taking place. They can feel that energy connection with the divine or divine creator. So similarly, when you are doing alone, you may not feel that much energy. But when we are doing together, all people, around 50 people are there, together when you are doing this, then the intensity is much better.
Yes. I understand, sir.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Srinivas?
Yes, Madhu.
Yeah, I just want to share one thing quickly. When you had this conversation with Malika, what I got is the purpose is not to, clear all the memories, because not possible. As you rightly said, we had a lot of memories. So what I got is the purpose is to make some area of my life better by by releasing whatever memories are causing it, and again not keeping any expectation. At the same time, focusing on what area of my life I want to make it better. So maybe you can
Yes,
add.
thank you.
You can add.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
See, yes, there are mountains of memories are there, as you told. It may take one lifetime or more than one lifetime. One lifetime may not be enough to clean all the memories. But instead, what we can do is whatever the problem or the issue which you're going through, you just focus on cleaning on that, so the rest will be taken care. And after that, over a period of time, if you're keeping the cleaning, keep on doing the cleaning on a regular basis, all the memories gets cleaned.
Right.
And that is the reason in Indian monks have told, keep on taking the divine name, keep on chanting the name of the divine or the initiated mantra whole day as long as possible and for entire life, so that it is cleaning all the memories or clearing all the past karma. And the same thing applies to Ho'oponopono. You need to keep on cleaning. And here the advantage is, whenever you have any specific issue, you can focus on that issue and keep cleaning, so that the only those memories related to those issues which are replaying that problem will be cleaned. You will be free from that problem, and then you keep doing the cleaning process regular basis to clean all the underlying or the subconscious memories. Thank you, Madhu.
Thank you. Thank you.
Srinivas sir, since morning I was
Yes,
having
madam.
I was having a lot of body pain since morning, but with this session, I'm feeling a lot of relief.
Oh, that's really great.
The another reason why I immediately just now checked my BP. For no reason, my BP has shot up today.
Mhm.
I have not focused on it. Now that after hearing you, I think I have to focus on my heart, my circulatory system, and tell them I love you, thank you, so that it brings my BP down. Because there
Oh,
is no
BP is
particular
already down.
reason for which my BP has gone up. There is no particular reason. So, but like what you said, it could be some stored memories which I need to erase.
It is not maybe, it is only the stored memories.
Okay.
BP is
Okay.
not a physical health issue. Unless you have some memories, you cannot experience the BP. Once you clean those memories, your BP will become normal. No need to
Then-
take any medicine. Until then, yes, madam.
Do I have to continuously clean on the stored memories?
Yes, it is, cleaning is a lifetime process. You can
Yes,
do this,
okay.
stuck into this body meditation once in a day, either in the morning or in the evening.
Okay. Okay.
Do it on regular basis and see that
Okay.
whole body is getting aligned and all your
Okay.
health issues are getting resolved. Because
Okay.
whatever the health issues we're experiencing, it is only the subconscious memories which are
Okay.
stored at the subconscious level, at the
Okay.
cellular level,
Okay.
each and every cell. Yes.
You are telling that BP doesn't need any medication.
No, initially you need to take medication. Along with
I am
medication, along with medication, you continue whatever the medication you are taking and keep doing this meditation on a daily basis. And over a period of time, after a couple of weeks or couple of months, you just keep checking the BP and other whatever the health issues are there. When it comes to normal, then the doctor himself would advise you to stop
Sure.
the medication. Yes.
Sure. Sure.
That is how I
Sure.
stopped the medication of the diabetes.
Oh yes, sir.
I
I'm
took
very
medication
hopeful.
for almost 3 years, 2.5 to 3 years. I took medication for diabetes. I could not understand what is this one. I just started keep cleaning and doing some little bit small lifestyle changes.
Okay.
Now for almost 1 year, I have not taken any medicine for this diabetes or glucose,
Very
and
nice.
still the glucose levels are normal. Everything is fine. It is only the memories.
That is nice, sir.
And
But I
when
am
we go to the doctor and the
yes.
medical, allopathic doctors, they say that once you get the diabetes or
BP.
hypertension or cholesterol, these things or cancer, it is for lifetime. They judge once because we have created the strong belief, whenever there is any kind of disease or disorder like this, it cannot be cured. And that too, as long as you are holding on to that belief, you are holding on to that particular health issue, whether it is BP or sugar, whatever maybe it is. So
Okay, sir.
what you need to do is you need to let go of all the beliefs and the memories which are replaying as those. Once you start believing that it can be cured and it can be healed, automatically at the same time it will be healed. And there are people who have healed diabetes, cancer, and other incurable diseases with Ho'oponopono.
Yes, I will embark on this because I've been taking medicine for the past 26 years. And it has been
Yes.
diagnosed as essential hypertension. There is no particular
And
reason.
you made it
because-
your life partner, this hypertension. You made it your
I
life
want
for the
to-
last 26 years. So
Yeah,
now
so-
you can give divorce to this life partner, the
yes.
diabetes.
Immediately,
the time.
immediately.
Yes.
I
Keep
will
doing
do
on
it
regular
immediately.
basis and keep checking your
Yes, I will.
BP
Yes, I
levels. And once the BP levels come down, automatically the medication will be stopped. Until then,
Yes,
you need to
thank you so
continue
much.
the medication.
Yes,
Welcome.
I will.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes. In the chatting, somebody has mentioned, excellent. I had severe acidity and now it is not there anymore. Oh, it's really great. So much calmness, feeling humbling, feeling lighter. How do we pray to arrest gray hair or reverse gray hair? It is so easy. It is very easy. I have the easiest way of arresting gray hair. Last week you must have seen my almost half of my head was white. And I took only 15 minutes and the whole hair become black. Very beautiful,
sir.
very.
Very
Did you
easy,
achieve
sir,
it in
very
15
easy.
minutes?
Good.
Did you actually achieve it in 15 minutes?
Yes.
Gray to black? That's amazing.
Yes, I used hair dye shampoo. It took
Okay.
only 10-15 minutes.
Sir, I want to share something.
Yes, madam, please, Kalyani, madam.
Yeah, sir, I just want to say that I'm getting healing done. And I have found a lot of calmness and a lot of positive attitude in every angle. Anything that I see which is not positive, also I see the positive in that, So I feel much calmer and peaceful.
That is really great. See, you are thinking when you are cleaning, you are changing the thinking pattern. Because
Yeah.
whatever we think, accordingly, we start attacking the situations. Whatever
sir.
you think, your thoughts are sending the signals
Yes, sir.
to the universe. Accordingly, you are attracting the situations, things, whether it is health or inside, outside, relations, finance, whatever maybe it is.
And
So
the
when you are
phrases
cleaning,
also.
when you are cleaning, you are changing the thinking pattern. Instead of busy with the incessant thinking, you are using the 5 phrase and the 4
Yes.
phrase prayer.
Right, sir.
Yes.
It is like a gospel now. Every time, wherever I'm standing, getting up, sleeping, okay, I have time, let me do this. So,
Yes.
that brings a lot of, and it also brings changes in the other person also. The attitude of the other person.
Other person, it is only because you have shared
Because
memories.
yes,
Yes.
sir, yes.
See, once
is
you
very
clean
clear.
your memories, automatically the shared memories from each and every one will be cleared at the
Yes,
same time. And the
Yes,
other
sir.
person need not to do anything.
Yes,
It is
sir.
all about you. Once
Yeah.
you clean your memories, all the shared memories from all the people, not only from humankind, from animal kingdom, plant kingdom, mineral kingdom, wherever you have shared memories, each and every place get cleaned.
Yes, sir. Thank
And
you, sir.
you're most welcome, madam.
Sir, I'm waiting for the class now. On Sunday, next Sunday.
Let us complete this class then. Oh,
No,
this
sir,
class.
but we
Oh,
have to
okay,
look
morning.
forward,
Yes,
no,
yes.
sir?
Yeah,
Sir, we have to
workshop.
look
Yes.
forward.
Oh, yes. Thank you. And in the chat, somebody has mentioned very beautiful, very cleansing. My husband also did with me. I have severe gastritis. It reduced considerably. Thank you very much for sharing your experiences, because you are experiencing these things. So one person has released the shoulder pain, another person released the stomach issues, gastritis, another person BP has reduced. It is only because you have given much attention in doing this cleaning process of Ho'oponopono. And that is the reason you found results. It is not a magic or some miracle happened, because you were really interested to do this, and you have done this with all your attention, and you have put your efforts, so you are finding the results. Similarly, whatever you're experiencing, you just keep doing the cleaning process. You can see your whole life is getting changed. Feeling relaxed, thank you. Another person, it is very soothing session and I enjoyed a lot. Thank you, thank you. It was really peaceful. Excellent session, very peaceful. Thank you. I could feel the heat running you and down the spine. It is the way of the cleaning the memories. Yes, power of group dynamics. So what can be the statement to use for diabetes and BP? When you are doing this exercise of talking to the body, talk to each and every part of the body. Pancreas is the part of your body which is responsible for maintaining insulin levels. Talk to the pancreas and say, thank you, I love you, and ask forgiveness. Express your love. Thank you for being with me. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Like this, when you are talking to those concerned parts, they are regaining their identity, because in the pancreas there are these cells which are affected with memories. So those cells have become diseased cells. Now those have, I'm just muting all of you. Whenever you want to ask, you can unmute yourself and ask. We are addressing the question about what can be the statement to use for diabetes and BP. Diabetes and BP are nothing but the memories replaying at the subconscious level, at the cellular level. As you know, our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and each and every cell has its own identity. As long as the cell has its identity, everything looks fine. Once the cell is affected with a memory, it becomes diseased cell, start creating the disease. And when it comes to diabetes, pancreas is the major organ which is responsible for maintaining the insulin levels in your body. As per my understanding, you can talk to the concerned part, whatever the health issue you're experiencing, you can talk to the concerned part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. If I'm unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry for all the memories stored in you. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Like this, keep doing, and you see that whole life is getting changed. All the entire body, all the cells are releasing the memories which are stored at the cellular level, the cellular memories. And once those memories are cleaned, they regain their identity and you will get the perfect health. There are many examples of people who have cured the diabetes, blood pressure, and the cancer like this, which we strongly believe as incurable diseases. There is nothing, no disease like incurable. This is incurable only as long as you believe that it is incurable and you cannot release. Once you clean the memories which are replaying as that disease, and once you clean the memories which are making you to believe that this cannot be cured or healed, only till then you are holding on to the disease. Another person, thanks sir for meditation. Thank you all for a blissful energy. How can we pray to get rid of hypothyroid? Use the same meditation. I have extreme hair fall since 1 year. Kindly advise. Take your attention to the head, the skull, attention to the hairs, talk to them. Ask forgiveness for all the memories stored there, as we explained in earlier. Similarly, and once those memories are cleared, you see that your problem is resolved. What should we say to lose weight? You need not to say anything specially for losing the weight. You just talk to the body, each and every part of the body. That will take care. You need to love your body. When you are saying you're overweight or you want to lose weight, that means you are judging the body is heavy. Be kind to your body. Be friendly with your body. Talk to the body as if you are talking to a small child. What we have done today in the meditation. Continue doing this regular basis. That will take care of everything. Thanks to all of you. Shall we close?
Thank you, brother. Good night.
Excuse
Thank you,
me.
everyone.
Excuse me,
Yes, madam. Somebody is asking.
that written in the chat, what to say for the money.
Oh, money, please.
Thank you.
Especially when it comes to money, most of the time it is related to the root cause, maybe the any kind of unforgiveness, maybe from this lifetime, other lifetime. As long as we're holding on to any kind of unforgiveness, hatred, or anger, it is replaying as the block in receiving the money. If you have someone in your life to forgive or whom you don't like, you completely forgive that person and forgive yourself by using the forgiveness meditation. And you see that you are opening the doors to receive the money.
Thank you.
Welcome. In the chat, can we take all the health conditions together while praying? It's when you're doing the inner child meditation, you can say specifically one by one. When you're doing the Morna's prayer, you can put all them together. Or when you are doing the talking to the body, when you're talking to each and every part of the body, we just address that part and one by one you can mention. And no need to mention all together, because while talking to the body, different health issues, different problems are related to different parts of the body. When you're talking to the knees, that is different. When you're talking to the stomach, digestive system, that is different. Heart, that is different, the chest portion. Likewise, you can do it. And when we do this talking to the body meditation on regular basis, maybe for a couple of days or couple of weeks, then you need not to depend on this recording or the audio or the guided meditation. You can do it on your own. It is just for your guidance only, how to talk to each and every part of the body and how to release the cellular memories. Thank you very much for wonderful healing meditation. Thanks to all of you. Okay, bye bye. See you. Tata.
Thank you, sir. Much
Thank you.
gratitude.
Most welcome.
Much gratitude, sir. Thank you.
You are most welcome, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.